Welcome to our tutorial on saving your animation. Let's click the Save Animation icon. The Save Animation to File dialog window opens. Here we've got the option to save our animations as AVI video files or as a series of images, bitmaps, targas. Let's select the AVI video file option. Under Renderer, we can select the SOLIDWORKS screen or the PhotoWorks buffer if you have PhotoWorks as an add-in. If you select the PhotoWorks buffer, additional options will appear below for image size. You can select a predefined image size, or you can create a custom image size with your custom values for width and height below. The aspect ratio option is only available if custom size is selected under image size. Let's return to the SOLIDWORKS screen renderer type. Next, we can choose the number of frames per second in our animation. And the time range, we can apply it to the entire animation or to a time range within the animation that we define numerically in the value boxes below. Let's select the range between 10 and 14 seconds. Let's enter 14 here. One more option is available to schedule your save. If you render projects with a large image size, or if you use the PhotoWorks buffer, which renders more realistic images, complete with shadows, reflections, and so on, the time required for rendering can be significant and you may want to schedule your rendering. Let's go back to the SOLIDWORKS screen renderer type. At this point, I'm ready to save. I click Save. And a second dialog window now opens, giving us some options for video compression. We can choose the type and the quality of compression. Let's click OK, accepting the default values. SOLIDWORKS is now rendering our animation frame by frame, and we follow the progression on our screen. Now let's play our animation. And this concludes our tutorial on saving your animation.